magluluto si Johnny ng malunggay chips. And these are the ingredients. First is malunggay leaves.
Malunggay leaves?
You get the malunggay leaves.
Here.
Here it is. The next is egg.
Egg?
Where's the egg?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Where's the egg?
There's
You get the egg.
this.
Okay, very good. The next is cornstarch.
Cornstarch?
Where's the cornstarch?
There.
Okay, you get the cornstarch.
Cornstarch?
Okay.
Why?
You get the cornstarch. Yeah. Okay, very good. Okay, that is the basic ingredients for the malunggay chips for today's cooking edition with Johnny.
Wait. Done.
Okay. Going to put the malunggay and cornstarch together.
Let's get together.
Okay, you put it together.
Me.
No, not yet. All malunggay. You put together all malunggay.
Okay.
Inday, you help Kuya.
Now how? Thank you, Inday. Yeah. Why?
Again, Inday, you help Kuya. Okay, very good. Cold water.
Cold water.
Yeah. Okay, enough.
No! We can't share!
Very good.
Let's make in this.
You mix it
Let's
again.
go mix. Yes, thank you, Inday. Mix.
Thank you, Inday. Okay, you put na the egg.
Cheese. Yay! Teka, ako sa ko. It's got change. It's changed color. They're green. And now mix. Mix ko. Na mix.
Of salt.
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 Okay, pinch only. Mix, Inday. Okay. Okay.
Green, green.
Green? Yeah. It's color green.
No. Green. Don't hurt it. Yes. In water. Here.
Okay, enough. You add more
Let's go.
pinch of salt.
Soap. Hey.
Okay, very good.
City poop.
Smile! Hi! Ano yan ang giluto ninyo?
Ako lutak ko.
Wow! Oh, this one.
Ako lutak. Yes.
I'll get one. Sweet.
Ooh.